हेलो गाइस, आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट द्वारा डिलीवर की गई आज एक लैंडमार्क जजमेंट में इन द केस टाइटल्ड रजनीश केवी वर्सेस के दीपा. In this case has been delivered by a 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court presided by the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Justice B.R. Gavai. In this case, the judgment of Honorable High Court of Delhi in the case of Dheeraj More versus Honorable High Court of Delhi was challenged. In the case of Dheeraj More, the Honorable High Court of Delhi ने कहा कि जो the civil judges cannot be considered for the post of district judges from the seats reserved for the bar. अब उसी को चैलेंज करते हुए रजनीश केवी के केस में पिटिशनर्स ने जो है आर्ग्यू आर्टिकल 233 सब आर्टिकल 2 जो 7 years प्रिस्क्राइब करता है दैट कैन नॉट मीन टू बी कॉन्टिन्यूस 7 years ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. साथ ही साथ इन दिस केस इट वाज आल्सो कंटेंडेड कि जो इन सर्विस कैंडिडेट्स हैं जिनके पास क्यूमुलेटिव 7 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस है इधर एज एन एडवोकेट और एज एन जुडिशियल ऑफिसर और दोनों को मिला के 7 साल उनके पास होते हैं, they should also be considered, they should also be permitted to appear for the post of district judges. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनकी कंटेंशंस को एक्सेप्ट करते हुए कैटेगोरिकली ये बोला है that the in-service candidates are also eligible to be appointed as district judges if they have the cumulative experience of 7 years from both bar and bench. Now, the in-service candidates would also be eligible for the post of district judges. This is a welcome judgment क्योंकि 3 year eligibility rule आने के बाद काफी aspirants जो है वो निराश हो गए थे कि 28-29 में सिलेक्शन लेके there would be very bleak chances of being promoted to the High Court or the Supreme Court. But this judgment is a beacon of hope to all such candidates. And now, even if you get selected at whatever age, if you have cumulative practice of 7 years, that is being the advocate and a judicial officer, then after completing the age of 35 years, you can get selected for the post of additional district judges or district judges, as this serves as a beacon of hope and is a quite welcoming judgment delivered by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.